This is 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football, doing a one box break. There's 5 autographs per box. Doing a one box rip, 2 random last name letters per spot. Throwing in a couple bonus cards, including a 1/1 Kid Reporter. A Bambino 1/1 Kid Reporter. This one will go out to the letter G. You got the Ghost Kid Reporter here. There it goes. The Bambino 1/1 Ghost Kid Reporter, so that goes out to the letter G. And a couple other bonuses. Roquan Smith, top linebacker in the draft, going out to the letter S. Got a gold All-American Bradley Chubb, top defensive end in the draft, letter C. Top tight end was Hayden Hurst, letter H. Rookie and Minkah Fitzpatrick. He went to Miami, letter F. Minkah Fitzpatrick, rookie. So a few bonus rookies and the Bambino Ghost card, plus 5 autographs on the Leaf Metal. So thanks again, guys, for filling this one. Appreciate it, and good luck. All right, everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left, starting from Frankie G down to James S. Let's copy all those names and bring you guys over here to random.org. Paste everybody in twice. You get 2 random last name letters per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and final time. Good luck. 9. 9 times. We got Jerry D up top and James S down bottom. Just copy all those names and bring it on over to our last name letter spreadsheet for the Leaf Metal. Paste everybody in. Make those names a little bit bigger for you here. Alright, and thanks again, guys, for filling the Leaf Metal Draft Football. Appreciate it. These are your teams. Alright, so we'll start out with the bonus cards. This one's going out to letter F. Minkah Fitzpatrick, rookie, letter F. Going out to Justin R. And Hayden Hurst, letter H, going out to Catherine B. Hayden Hurst, rookie. Bradley Chubb, gold All-American, letter C, going out to Justin R. Roquan Smith, top linebacker in the draft, letter S, going out to Barry M. And the 1/1 Bambino Kid Reporter. This one goes out to the letter G. Ghost Kid Reporter and Frankie G. Frankie G, you got letter G. And got the 1/1 Ghost Bambino Kid Reporter bonus. Good luck on that. And congrats. All right. Thanks, guys. All right, here we go. Leaf Metal Draft Football 2018. All right, let's get the lighting right. That looks okay. All right, Leaf Metal Draft Football. 5 autographs per box on this. Thanks again, guys, for getting in. Appreciate it. Come on. There it goes. All right, Leaf Metal Draft, 5 autos per box. Thanks again, guys, for filling it. Good luck. All right, Leaf Metal Draft Football. Bambino knife. There it goes. All right, here we go. 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. 5 autos per box. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up is Riley Ferguson, letter F. Riley Ferguson, wave variation, rookie autograph These are all on card, by the way. Letter F going out to Justin R. No. Yeah, I don't need the box cutters. So Riley Ferguson, quarterback from Memphis. Rookie wave variation. Letter F going out to Justin R. There you go, Justin R. Riley Ferguson. Rookie auto wave. And another one for letter F. Justin R. Again, got the blue State Pride. Yeah. Royce Freeman, blue State Pride. Autograph on card. Royce Freeman also going out to Justin R. Very nice. The blue is numbered 13 out of 35. Very nice. 13 of 35. Royce Freeman. Royce Freeman, letter F. And next up is, this one is letter S. Cam Surging. That's the first time we got him. Touchdown Kings, letter S, going out to Barry M. There you go, Barry M. Another Touchdown Kings, another wave variation. Has that refractor look to it. That's the wave parallel. Cam Surging, letter S. Touchdown Kings, on card, rookie auto, letter S, going out to Barry M. Very nice. Next up, we got a redemption here. And this one is Trenton Thompson, State Pride, autograph wave variation, letter T. Letter T going out to Catherine B. Catherine B. There you go. Cash Money picking up the Trenton Thompson State Pride autograph wave variation redemption card. Very nice. Congrats on the redemption. Alright, and last up is going to be letter J. Karen Johnson. Letter J, another wave variation. Rookie Karen Johnson. From Auburn. 6 foot 212. Running back. Karen Johnson. Letter J going out to Catherine B. And another wave variation. So I think every card in there had the wave redemption, wave, Touchdown Kings of 13. Wave to Royce Freeman was a blue State Pride number 235. And the first one was Riley Ferguson wave variation. So very nice. Plus the G got the Bambino 101 Ghost Kid Reporter. Roquan Smith, letter S, All-American. Bradley Chubb got the gold All-American, letter C. Hayden Hurst, letter H, rookie tight end. And F got the Minka Fitzpatrick. So a couple bonus rookies on that. Thanks again for filling the Leaf Metal Draft Football. Appreciate it, guys. Bambino, we are on to the next route.